Hello guys, how are you? Another vlog I come. There's you can see the hen and its childs. So beautiful hen and childs in village life. So guys, today is very cool and stunning view. You can see apples, peach, and Japani falls. So the tree view are very beautiful. Guys, mint plant stones and the beautiful view of Switzerland of swat. Small peach, big trees of peach. Japanese fall trees. You can see small Japanese falls, small Japanese fruits, and big trees of Japanese fruits. Big trees you can see. Big trees of Japanese fruits. Village life is very beautiful. Roots of Japanese trees. Inset, water inset you can see. If you know this thing, please write in comment box. Okay guys, thanks for watching another vlog. I make another video for you guys.